Get ready for an adrenaline rush. We bring you the most powerful firewood processors. On the planet, watch them chew through logs like butter. Prepare for forestry machinery madness. Let the show begin. Ever wrestled with a giant birch log? It's like fighting a stubborn giant. But imagine this. A home built with splitter ready to tame those beasts. It's got this cool double pump system and an electric valve package. Think automatic shifting between high and low gear. We're talking about 3 tons of force for the easier stuff, and a monstrous 9 tons for those truly massive logs. And get this, you control the size of the wood. It's like having a custom wood splitting workshop in your backyard. This means it performs just as well as dedicated harvesters. No compromise observant. Tackling bark beetle infested trees in Eksjö, Sweden. This isn't just about felling trees. It's about optimizing your entire operation. Well, let me introduce you to this fascinating machine, the TN13OT branch cutter. Imagine this, it gobbles up branches, even thick ones, and spits out perfectly sized wood pieces. It's like a wood transforming wizard. It has these tough, sharp knives that can handle pretty much anything. You throw at it, and the best part, you can use that processed wood as fuel. Isn't that neat? It's a story of resourcefulness. And this machine is the star. The Ecolog 570, a pinnacle of Scandinavian engineering wisdom. Game changer for steep terrain logging. Its robust chassis, coupled with a powerful fuel-efficient engine, ensures optimal performance. What truly sets it apart, however, is the optional synchronized dual winch system. This feature provides unparalleled pulling power and load stability, enabling the efficient extraction of timber on challenging inclines. The Eschelbacher 82 RBZ, coupled with the AMN 480, is a powerful duo. But what really sets this apart is the operator's skill. He's different. You can tell he respects the machine. He doesn't push it too hard, even with that 480 horsepower. He knows its limits and keeps it running smooth, never overloading it. That's the mark of a true pro. Someone who understands their tools. Ransom Shark-Tooth Stump Harvester initially struck me as unorthodox. However, witnessing its raw power and efficiency firsthand was a game changer. Its ability to effortlessly pulverize massive stumps is redefining land clearing operations. setting a new benchmark for productivity in forestry. These trees are impressive. No doubt, years of growth have made them incredibly dense. And heavy felling them is a precise operation, and loading the logs requires significant force. You can see the power of that excavator as it wrestles those massive logs onto the truck. Who's our driver for this operation? Oh no, not that dude. Introducing the Prime Tech PT600, the ultimate mulching machine. This tracked prime mover dominates extreme mulching with its 600 horsepower, Cummins engine and intelligent hydraulics. Forget California almonds. This machine chews through anything. Agile, efficient cooling. The PT600 conquers the toughest jobs. The 2-inch cutting disc, it's made of super strong Weldox, 700T11 steel, and has a powerful Rexroth hydraulic motor. Prices range from $50,000 to $60,000. But imagine how much time and effort it could save you on your land clearing projects. Now that's a premium timber. I've been in this industry for ages. And these trees are some of the finest specimens. I've come across crawler tractor skidding. It's a classic method, but it's undeniably effective. This crew clearly knows what they're doing, and they're doing it the right way. With respect for the trees and a focus on safety, it's a dying art. But it's heartening to see it alive and well here. Alright folks, today we've got a real challenge on our hands. A broke that's seen a few centuries. I reckon no excavator. No worries, we'll use good, old-fashioned know-how and some elbow grease. Let's show this old-timer we've still got the skills. The smell of fresh pine, the familiar sound of the sawmill, the beautiful grain of the ponderosa tree. These are the things I love about this job. This tree was damaged by the storm, but they'll turn it into high-quality lumber that can be passed down for generations. That's how they honor the tree and give it a new purpose. If that KX057 excavator looks outmatched by that, stubborn Stump just equip it with the Frost Ripper and watch the tables turn. This simple yet incredibly effective attachment makes quick work of roots, yanking that stubborn stump right out of the ground. Impressive to say the least. The Vector Cantop mulching is a game changer for anyone who's ever struggled with removing stumps. This Finnish-engineered machine makes quick work of even the toughest stumps, extracting and splitting them with ease. Its durable construction and efficient design will save you time and effort on any land clearing project. Maine winters get super cold. So folks, there have this cool tradition of getting ready for it. By chopping wood in the fall, they go into the woods, cut down trees and bring the wood back home. Imagine the sound of the saw and the smell of pine trees. It makes you think of cozy nights by the fireplace, right?
32 inches on the small end.
Well, that wood splitter is intense. Have you seen anything like it? But it looks risky. Let's brainstorm some solutions. A larger safety cage or an automatic shut-off sensor could help. Perhaps using a different splitting method, such as a hydraulic press, might be safer. You have to see what those people did. They turned an old uni system into a firewood processor. They completely modded it. It's not as good as a Cord King yet, but they believe that if they can make the sword track super fast, it'll be awesome. It might even compete with those 120,000 plus machines. This is absolutely incredible. Older PC-H1 Purple O/80AL. LROAD is a self-propelled drum chipper designed for heavy-duty wood processing. It features a 550 horsepower scanning engine and can handle logs up to 560 millimeters in diameter. Key specifications include an hourly output of 120 to 140 cubic meters per hour, an 820mm drum diameter, and a 1,000 per 100mm drum weight. The feeding chain and hopper are designed for efficient intake, making this machine suitable for large-scale forestry operations. its robust construction ensures it can handle demanding tasks, processing wood at a very high speed and quality. This thing is an absolute beast. Our guy here has been using it for 7 years, splitting over 700 meters of tough wood. Like cherry and oak, he's put it through the ringer, tackling all sorts of wood, and it's still going strong. Sure, it jams sometimes, but that's expected. Just remember to position the wood carefully. Are you looking for something reliable? Maybe something that lasts well? This is your answer. Picture a snowy landscape, heavy flakes falling, and this absolute beast of a machine, the Sennheiser 870M, just devouring timber like it's nothing. It makes those old truck cranes look like they're moving in slow motion. I heard it costs around $81,000. Ouch, my wallet hurts just thinking about it. But imagine the work you could get done. I wonder what the person operating it feels like, having all that power at their fingertips. Let's give a round of applause to these incredible machines, folks. I mean, look at the size of them. Who here has ever dreamed of driving one? Raise your hands, the length alone is mind-blowing. Oh my gosh, that tree trunk is huge. Can you even imagine? It's gotta be ancient? And the wood grain, it's like a work of art. Someone's gonna make the most epic furniture with that. I'm so jealous, I'm practically drooling. The possibilities are endless. Wow, just wow. I've never seen anything like the Guillermo/Seppi mulcher. It is truly incredible to see this beast work. It tears through trees like they're nothing and leaves behind beautiful, nutrient-rich mulch. It's astonishing how quickly it can clear an entire area. Oh my goodness. This is the most amazing firewood setup I've ever seen. A tractor, a trailer, a raft, and a van all working together. It's like the ultimate DIY project. I'm so excited about the sheer creativity here. This is what I live for. I love to see this kind of thing. It's inspiring, I can only imagine. The satisfaction of building something like this. Maintaining accuracy, maximizing output, and minimizing waste. The VTZ14 Plus from my board appears to directly address these pain points. Its robust construction promises durability, while the tilted table design likely facilitates smoother material handling, reducing jams and downtime. The servo drive probably means less energy waste. By combining precision, speed, and energy efficiency, this machine offers a potential solution for businesses struggling to meet production demands while controlling costs. While talk about a surprise, this tree may look strong, but it's dying from the inside out. It's sad to see it go, but that's the cycle of life. Our logger is helping it return to the earth, where it can provide for the next generation. I get out of there, it's going. What sets the Atera Vortex apart is its radial piston motor. Unlike other motors, this bad boy converts almost all of that hydraulic power into pure horsepower. That means less wasted energy, higher efficiency, and more money in your pocket. Think of it like this: you've got an excavator with a powerful hydraulic system, and the Atera Vortex unleashes that power to obliterate the toughest stumps. M7183 is a flat mulching designed for heavy duty land clearing and vegetation management applications. It is equipped with a Tier 4 F Cummins QSB 6.7 engine, delivering 129 kilowatts, 173 horsepower at 2,200 revolutions per minute. The machine features a 2-speed hydrostatic drive system, a high-pressure water spray system, and joystick controls for optimal operator efficiency. With a weight of approximately 11,700 kilograms, the M7 will projects such as pipeline and power line. removing a large tree in a busy area can be a real headache. But this team tackled the problem head-on. They addressed all the key concerns: permits, road closures, potential damage, and traffic disruption. They even considered the bus schedule. It's reassuring to see a well-executed plan that prioritizes safety and minimizes inconvenience. Now when it comes to serious forestry equipment, the John Deere 117OW wheel harvester is a true standout. This machine is a marvel of engineering, designed for peak performance in demanding conditions. The CH6 parallel crane, a masterpiece of precision and speed, and with that robust PowerTech Plus engine, delivering high torque even at low RPMs. You've got the power to tackle any terrain. This is a machine built for professionals who demand the best. Seriously, barber chairs are like the enemy of any logger. Experienced or not, those things are dangerous. That's one heck of a rig. Built solid and pretty darn clever too. That electric motor is quiet as a mouse. Just the sound of wood getting chewed up, watching that would bounce off the tires. Kind of funny, I think in a real job, he did probably just rig up a chute and use a wheelbarrow. I've been bucking logs for years, and let me tell you, it's a humbling experience. You can plan all you want, but every log is different. Every cut is a gamble. You gotta respect the wood, respect the forces at play, and never let your guard down. Because when those logs start moving, they don't care how much experience you have. Heads up if you're out there felling a tree and notice something weird. Hightail it to safety. Felling trees can get real hairy real fast. Imagine this: you place your log. Everything's lined up perfectly. In a blink of an eye, you give the pedal a little nudge with your foot, and whoosh, clean split. It's almost magical. I was skeptical at first, but seeing it in action, it's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance. Between man and machine, it's not just splitting wood, it's an experience.